Wagwan, it's about Adrian back in the building with another episode. Reggae Boys criticize and debate sprint legend USAIN Bolt expresses disapproval of the Reggae Boys partying after failing to qualify for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Dancehall artist Shqke has been sentenced to 2 years and 3 months in prison. REGGAE Palmer Foundation, support by vybzkartel, is continuing its hurricane relief initiative by distributing care package to affected residents on the south coast of Jamaica. But before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Watch the video.
Care package and a buck of recharge parchment. So they are now going out, you know.
The REGGAE Palmer Foundation, supported by vybzkartel, is continuing its hurricane relief initiative by distributing care package to affected residents on the south coast of Jamaica. We can say like some money and Madsus donating care package to residents in the affected areas.
Nation, one REGGAE Palmer. Bless up. Continue to do what you do, my son, and help out the people of Jamaica. Together, all we put hands on heart together, and we can build back Jamaica.
Alright, so we're up on the road and we was giving out some care package and a buck of.
Well, the youth them are do it. This is a good look for vybzkartel and in team. Big up the vybzkartel and team. Let me know in the comment box what you guys think about this. Dancehall artist Shqke has been sentenced to 2 years and 3 months in prison for a gun charge, with 3 years probation and a $100 fine after pleading guilty to possession of a firearm while living in the United States illegally. The sentence followed his arrest during a police stop in Miami, where officers recovered a firearm modified with a switch, commonly referred to as a chip Glock. Shqke, who hails from Salt Spring in Montego Bay, Jamaica, had been living in the US without proper documentation since 2021. His legal team has rejected allegations that he is the leader of an organized criminal gang, a claim that emerged during court proceedings. The sentence marked the end of the month of legal proceedings that have followed his arrest. Shqke is expected to face immigration action upon completion of his sentence. Shqke, known for a hit, include Big Breeze and Sugar. Look for Shqke because Shqke just get 2 years and 3 months and 3 year probation. It could be worse for him because earlier a lot of people that say Shqke will get life in jail and Shqke will face the penalty, but none of that didn't happen. So it's a good look for the DJ. Said DJ can be out in the street in less than 3 years. Now Shqke's father, Mr. Whitaker, was reportedly arrested and detained by ICE agent in September when he appeared for an immigration hearing. Nation, let me know what you guys think in the comment box about Shqke's situation.
Please stop the capping. Hey boy, please stop the capping. More now, sit like.
They might have had a fortuitous bounce in their direction here tonight. Nicholson let fly from range. Came off the defender, then off Reed, and right into his path.
Sprint legend USAIN Bolt expresses disapproval of the Reggae Boys partying after failing to qualify for the 2026 FIFA World Cup, stating it shows a lack of care. Nation, let's take a listen.
The people having an issue with them going to party afterwards, after the match.
Yeah, of course. I'm one of them too. Why would you? There's no way. That means they didn't care. It didn't affect you in any way. That you miss a moment as the World Cup for a nation that actually going through it now. You know what it would have meant for the people to have something to cheer about and to be happy about. And then after that, no, it's like you don't care. So, and as I say, they could see it on the field. They didn't play it with their heart. And so it's just one thing. And as sportsman, I said it's really rough to watch.
Let me know what you guys think in the comment box about what USAIN Bolt saying that the players show that they don't care. Let me know your thoughts on the Jamaica Reggae Boys football team, if they did their best they could or they should have done better, because we here in the streets see a lot of people saying that they should have done better. They don't know what happened, but the Reggae Boys get more than 1 goal and they didn't complete the task. So hopefully they get a better coach who will stick by them and do the right thing. Now we can see we're a man discussing the issue of people in the West being selfish and inconsiderate with care package, taking multiple package and even selling them while others in need receiving nothing. He advocates for identification system to prevent people from collecting aid multiple times. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box about this. Let's take a listen.
Leave thing will go on a country and then I say the government now move fast enough and this and that now. And me hear the government come or somebody did suggest what they say people will get aid for have ID. See? And me a whole lot of people come down and a bash the government and whosoever did try to institute that or try to even say something about ID for get aid. And me everybody come and I bash them and I go on and I go on. Well, me can tell you something. Me is a person where they go out there, go give liquor aid. And me can tell you, remember, a Jamaican people you deal with. And them is not an orderly set of people. We are not an orderly set of, we're not an orderly society. We don't stay like Japan or South Korea or even parts of the United States. You don't know we are hag and goat and drunk rum. See, we deal with things different, crab it. See, you know, say me go a my country we give aid, and when me reach, me have my little thing in my car, because I don't know my thing not so big. And when me land on the ground, me see coaster bus, trucks and whole heap of something, white people, black people, foreign people, camera, all sort of sitting. I give aid, everybody me see with 2 bag, 3 bag, 4 bag, 5 bag. See? When me pull up, me stop, me see one of my big woman cousin when me know from longer time. And me stop and me ask her my mother there and Ray. Everybody out there so we have 2 bag and 3 bag. I got said to me say, so what happened? You can't leave something you eat to. So me I said then you don't have 2 bag already. You see round the road broke off round there so. The big truck and the bus them also can't pass it go around there so for them people again. Them people that were around there so them don't know say either give it out so because remember no phone system, no like no communication. Them just see some people come around with 2 and 3 bag by the time them for run out. Everything done. And once they have 2 and 3 bag. See? So me pass them and go around the road now. When me go around there, the people them say a good thing you pass them because we never get nothing. See? And the said set of people them and them same one I collect the thing over and over and over and over and over. Sometimes the wider community don't get. See? And next man give me another experience. Him did I work with Protege them when them go. Him never tell me exactly which part. No. Well, him did tell me, but I not really call the people him name. And the man said, let me tell you something. The people them down they come like a drunk. The man said the next time when the people them say next time them go down, the people have got to line up and people have got to write down them name and maybe have all them ID or something forget. Because guess what happened? The man said them travel about, them go about 3 to 4 village and I give us stuff. And the man said when them stop at the first village, the man said once Maddy I come all 3 times, I change all them shirt. People are change them shirt, people are put on hat, people are disguise. Forget more than one. At the little something where I give it. So when you do that now, the other people them round us and get the man say when them left this and go at the other 2 village. Him see some of the same people them when him stop at the first village, some of the same people them. The man say all the bike man them a carry people back and forth. The man say when him reach at the 4th village, forgive people there so. Forgive people there so aid. The people them from the 1st village and the 2nd still a come back there so. I mean I say you see it. You say if did some form of identification, did have to give a man, did have to go write down him name and write down him ID number. A man could have come back 2 or 3 times come get. And the man said them have to get man and start running with some of the people them and a good thing them did have police and a bag of thing and go on. The man say yo the people them are hag and go down there. And them not allow. Them would even say make everybody get and then you go get a second. A man want a second or third bag before other people even get one. And then you hear say some of them might take the ear and go sell it back to other people and I just saw the thing and go on. Jamaica we have to do better than that.
Let me know what you guys think about what this guy is saying about the inconsideration in the Westmoreland area with the care package. Now it seems that Rosalie and Akeem series has come to an end. Rosalie crashing out saying that she don't need a man and she don't really need Akeem no more. Nation, let's take a listen.
Me no blood clot words and me no want a man. Today me a come from me a cup and a boy when me a pass down a blood clot tell the boy say give me your number. Him text me as me reach me and I tell him okay. And me no want a man.
Now let me know what you guys think in the comment box about what Rosalie is saying. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch, big up everybody we are share it is me I say. I appreciate you all on. You know what I mean? Until next time guys, we out.